is so much more than just selling oral hygiene products. We want to ensure that everyone understands that it's possible to have their teeth for life.
I think we are a professional organization with extremely dedicated people working around the world. I think there is a proudness of our vision of trying to contribute to people's oral health.
Where we are, being a global company, selling actually not a product, but like healthy smiles for life, I think that's the most important part, with sustainability behind, with the quality of our production being in Malmö, and how we work with the customer together as a team.
I am responsible for the clinical documentation on our products, so that we are sure that we can substantiate the claims that we make. If we say something about our products, we should be able to prove it. We have our foundation in a collaboration with the dental profession. Even our very first product was a collaboration between the dental profession and the company, and we continue to work on that path.
My grandfather was a woodcarver by profession. He got an advice from his dentist to do triangular wooden toothpicks. I took this idea to the dental school of Malmö, sought the advice of 2 professors there, went back to his workshop, and then started selling at the pharmacy around the corner. When my father came into the company, we started with toothbrushes and interdental brushes, today our main product. And then later on in the late 90s and early 2000s, we started a journey of internationalization, which we're still on.
How do you say interdental brush in French?
We say brossette interdentaire. It seems like a very scientific word, but it's more and more well known actually. When we talk about interdental cleaning, we still a lot of things to do, talking to consumer, educating, but also educating dentists, because it's not really on our processes today to talk a lot about interdental cleaning. So that's a huge challenge for us, an exciting one, but a good challenge as well.
In many of the markets and regions, they understand toothbrushing. But I would say oral prevention is much more than just brushing your teeth. A majority of the problem occurs in between the teeth. There's a lot of education that is needed, and helping those people to understand that actually oral prevention is really important to their overall health as well.
All the production and head office functions are here in Malmö. We have full control over the production process since we only have one site. I will sometimes joke with my colleagues that if we would be a freestanding alone machine builder, we will be the biggest machine builder in the region. The product development team main focus is to produce the best possible product to fulfill a customer need. We also have to focus on how we produce that product. So every design process here is a hand-in-hand collaboration where we design the product together with the machines, and we can do long-term sustainable choices from the start.
I like to produce products that can help people with their health care, and work at a company based in Sweden with sales all over the world. We joke a lot, and everyone is kind and respectful to each other. So it's really a comfortable atmosphere.
I think all strategic tenets which are important to our company can be found in the story of our foundation. Collaboration with the dental profession, in-house product development, in-house production, and sales through the pharmacy channel.
We want to contribute to a more sustainable future and a healthy future for people around the world. The owner family was there from day one in thinking long-term and building a long-term sustainable business. It's really the core of what we are as a company, where we really want to contribute to people's health.